Here's how to do the chiffonade cut. It's a really handy knife trick for when you want to cut up a lot of greens or if you're looking to have them in small, even pieces. So with this kale, there's a middle rib. This will not always be the case. Let's say you want to cut up a bunch of romaine lettuce. There's not a middle rib there. You can use your knife to remove it along the seam, or you can use your hands and pull away from the middle rib and just pull the leaf away. And then this is one last thing to wash. This is not washed yet. I actually have a bunch of kale already washed and ready to go. And we can now move on to the actual knife cut. So you take your clean kale and you make like a little mattress of your leaves. And then you go from your mattress to sort of roll it up like a cigar or burrito. And you're going to hold the greens with one hand, and with the tip of your knife, you're going to start at one end and cut in a rocking motion across your roll. Being careful not to cut yourself on the other hand. And what you end up with are these thin strips that are really easy to manage, and it just makes things really quick. Chiffonade means, it's a French word that means made of rags, and so you've got sort of the edible version of that.